electronic power steering for your 90s to 2000s Hondas. So this applies to the Civic, the CRX, and the Integras. So this guy right here is my homemade Prius steering column half DC2. So as you can see right here, we got the DC2 cut in half right here. And then I put a sleeve on here and welded it together with the Prius. And then we made this little adapter to go on this side. And then the ECU wiring and all that stuff is on here. So this worked pretty good, actually. I took this out to Laguna Seca, I took this out to Streets of Willow, a bunch of canyon miles, and I absolutely love this thing. The only thing that you can't do with this guy is have it automatically lower the assist or increase the assist as you drive. I had a knob. So this guy right here is from Japan, and this is from a company called Mosscraft. They actually use these on time attack cars, so like the fastest Honda in Japan pretty much runs this thing. And the cool part about this is they literally rebuilt the OEM column. So look at this. They painted this, or I think it's powder coated. Everything's brand new. Hardware, all these pieces, even this right here, the little bushing from the factory, which I actually removed on mine. And then I pretty much stitch weld everything here, so it's super stiff. They utilize all the OEM stuff, and you know, this is literally a bolt-on process for your Civic, your Integra, your CRX, whatever application that they have. And it's nice and pretty. I really love this, actually. And the only reason that I removed this guy is because I want to try Mosscraft's EPS, electronic power steering, because it's a lot lighter. So if you take out this car to go, you know, actually put down some crazy laps, you want to make sure that you shave down some of the weight. I mean, it's still a pretty heavy car, even though I've already, you know, removed most of the interior. But this is way smaller than this. Like, I'm not sure if you guys could see that and the difference. All right, so look at the motor for the Prius. All right, and look at the motor for this guy. It's so small, dude. And I've actually felt this when I visited him in Japan. This is from a Jimny, so a K car. It's like a K truck or SUV. And it should feel a little bit sportier. What I mean by that is the Prius steering motor right here is massive. It's absolutely massive. It's meant for a sedan. This guy right here is meant for a small K car, and you know, we have lightweight Hondas, so we don't really need a giant motor like the Prius one. We could pretty much utilize the K car stuff. This feels good, but I gotta tell you, it doesn't feel as direct as, say, the hydraulic OEM assist. All right, I'm hoping this feels a little better with less support. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. That's why I'm testing it. That's why I removed that thing, which took forever to install this guy right here. And then it also comes with bolt-on brackets. So this is a bolt-on bracket for EG and DC and all the ECU and wiring stuff. So next step, we're going to be installing this guy on the Integra, and then we're going to go out for a drive.